I think Eurogin is the major conference on human papillomavirus and cervical cancer in Europe. I think I've been attending Eurogin every time for at least 14 years now. I think that it is becoming increasingly clear that it's not enough to look only on the technology for screening. One needs to look at whether this is a priority in society and how it is organized in order to have as good effect as possible on women's health. I think that it is almost amazing how much work is ongoing in the different countries in Europe, but that it appears that there are no other rooms for sharing information, learning from each other, and the experience of what works and what works not in different settings. In most instances, what works in one country will work also in another country. So you have a lot to learn from what others have been doing and what their results are. I think that the Congress has, over a number of years, had a steady improvement in its scientific level. I think that some of the first conferences were a little bit too clinical, like this woman has been referred, what should I do? So now it is more that we are looking at how does the cervical cancer prevention really help women in general, and it's being looked at a quite correct scientific level. So I think it's a good level, it has been for several years now. I think it would be of interest for anyone working on cervical cancer prevention in Europe or even also other parts of the globe.